This is Sunil Santhosh Kumar from CSC department. Today I am going to give a lecture about C programming. So today's contents are first we will see about objectives, course objectives and course outcomes. Then we'll see what is actual language, then what is programming language. Then we'll see about what are the types of programming languages. Then we'll see the origin of C language. Then we'll see the future of C language. And finally, we'll see about the applications of C language. Now we'll start the course objectives. So here what do you mean by course objective means during the course students what are the things able to learn. So here are the things which are going to learn. The first one is fundamentals of programming languages. So that is nothing but about what are the basic things the students are able to learn. Then after that they are able to learn about the algorithms and flowchart for the real-time problems. So by using these two concepts in real-world problems, they can analyze step-by-step process and they can represent in the flowcharts. After that, then they can understand the C programming syntax and semantics. So these are the main basics of programming language. Every programming language have their own syntaxes and semantics. And after that, they will learn about use of data types, operators, then control structures. So these three are also considered as the basics of C language. After that, they are familiar about the functions, arrays, strings, pointers, and structures. So these are all the concepts in C language. So coming to the overall part, C language can be divided into two parts, that is basics and concepts. And finally, they must do some hands-on experience. They can how to write a program, then how to compile the program, finally, and how to execute the program. So these are the course objectives. Once they've gone through the course objectives, then we have course outcomes. So here course outcomes are nothing but after completing this course, students will be able to understand the problem solving techniques and they can convert the problems into the algorithms and flowcharts. So here once they learn algorithms and flowchart, they can able to convert the problem into the techniques. Then they're able to write, compile and execute the programs using basic programming constructs. After that, they're able to use conditional statements. So these are the control structures and loopings. These two are mainly based on decision-making statements. And then they can implement the arrays, strings, pointers, and structures. So these are all the concepts in C language. So after this, they can develop efficient optimization of programs for simple real-world applications. So these are the course outcomes of the students. So before going to the C language, first we will see the what do you mean by language actually. So in general, language is nothing but it is a mode of communication. So where they can explain, exchange the ideas and opinions with each other. So that is the meaning of general language. But here we have programming language. So it is also one mode of language. But in this language, the instructions are in the form of in the particular languages. Like so, C has C instructions. C++ has C++ instructions like that. Java and Python also. So can give the simple definition for programming language is programming language is a computer language, right? It is a set of instructions. So that is a simple definition of computer programming. Then coming to the types of programming language. So majorly there are three types of programming language that existed. And the first one is mission level language, and the second one is assembly level language, and the third one is high level language. So first one is about mission level language. So in this language, it is also known as binary level language. In this, all the instructions are in the form of zeros and ones. So that is a binary format. So it is directly understood by the computer, so that there is no need of translators here. So that is about mission level language. Coming to the second one, we have assembly language. It is a kind of low level language and which helps to communicate directly with the computer hardware. So it is a little bit mediated, right? So that it is the mnemonics codes. See here we have some mnemonic codes like MOV, ACC, EBX. It is one a mnemonic code. So in assembly language, all the instructions are in the form of mnemonic codes. So that here we need one translator called assembler. So assembler is a program which converts the mnemonic codes into mission level language. So these assembly language is mainly used to develop the microprocessors. For example, we have Intel 386 microprocessor, then we have Pentium Pro, and then we have AMD Ryzen. So there are the examples for microprocessors. Coming to the third one, that is high level language. So it is a human understandable language. In this language, instructions are in the form of alphanumerics, then characters, symbols, and by following some rules and regulations. It is a high level language. So the simple definition of high level language is it is a human understandable language. So the main advantage with the high level language is for low level languages. You can easily read. Humans can easily read and easily write and easily maintain also, so that you can easily write the programs. But here one more thing required here. We require one special program called compiler, because the computer cannot understand the human language. So that we use another program called compiler. So compiler is a program which converts the high level language into low level language. So that we need one translator here. So that is about high level language. After that, coming to the before going to C language, first we'll see about the background of C language or origin of C language. So here there are previous versions of C language. First, the C language is called as CPL language, which stands for Common Programming Language, which was developed by Martin Richard. So that is the first version of the C language. After a few years, it was renamed as BCPL language, which stands for Basic Combined Programming Language. After a few modifications applied on BCPL, again it is renamed as B language, which was introduced by Ken Thompson. After a few years, after applying some modifications, again it was renamed as C language, which was introduced by Dennis Ritchie in the era of 1972. So finally, the father of C language is Dennis Ritchie. It was developed in the 1972. So that's why the father of C language, Dennis Ritchie, and it is also called as a father of Unix operating system, because the Unix operating system is entirely based on the C language. So that's why the father of Unix is also a Dennis Ritchie. So that is about a little background about the C language. Next, coming to the features of C language. So because C has so many qualities, right? Based on these qualities, it has some features. The first one is C is a robust language. So robust is nothing but is a strong language. So why it is a strong language means it has built-in functions. So we have a list of built-in functions out there. Built-in functions are like they are like ready-made. Like, so for example, we have stdio.h. So it is one header file, right? It is one of the built-in function. Like that, we have a number of built-in library functions. We have mathematical library functions. We have console IO built-in functions. Like that, we have a list of built-in functions. They are simply like ready-made, so that C language is a robust language. And the second feature is C is a efficient language, because it has a variety of data types and powerful operators are existed in the C language. Coming to the data types, based upon the development of the application, the user has to choose the particular data type, so that we have fundamental data types like integer, character, and float. And then we have powerful operators also are there, like we have arithmetic operators, we have logical operators, right? So based on this, C is very efficient language. And the next feature is C is a kind of middle level language. Why it is called as middle level means it supports both system software as well as application software. So that's why C is a middle level language. Coming to the system software, actually there are two types of software existed. One is system software and the second one is application software. System software is software exclusively designed for the systems. For example, you take OS, compilers, drivers. This comes under system software. And the second one is coming to the application software, which is exclusively to develop the applications like business applications or databases. So these are the two softwares used by the C language. So that's why C is a middle level language. Coming to the next feature, C is a kind of portable language, which means you can carry this easy from one system to another system. At the same time, you can develop the program on one system and that can be executed in the different systems. So C is a kind of portable language. Coming to the next feature, C is a kind of structured programming language. So because it allows the functions. So functions are also called as modules. So when you write a program using functions, it provides a more clarity, and it is a collection of these modules make the program debugging and testing easier. So with the structured programming, you can easily debug the program and also you can easily test the program. So these are the two advantages with the structured program. The next feature is C is a kind of case-sensitive language. So case-sensitive means so it can be treated as both uppercase, lowercase as different. For example, if you write two letters like A, small a, comma, capital A, as per meaning both are same, but in a computer point of view, A has different memory location, capital A has a different location. So C is a kind of case-sensitive language. And the next feature is a fast execution. Comparing with the other programming languages, C is very fast, so that it is directly executed by the computer. So that is about the features of language. Next, coming to the applications of C language. So C has vast applications in real world. Here the few of them are. The first one is about operating systems. As I told in the previous, the Unix operating system was entirely developed on using C language. So one of the applications is operating systems. The second one is embedded systems. Embedded, so that we have embedded C is there. In generally, embedded systems are nothing but in our home applications, just like refrigerators, ovens. So these are all depends upon the embedded systems where the C language is used. And the another real world application is GUI. It stands for graphical user interfaces. So nowadays we have there is a lot of technologies including GUI, so that in background C language plays a major role. And the next feature is new programming platforms. Now modern programming languages are the acquire the features from the C language, like maybe C++ or Java or Python. So the origin of these languages is from C language only. So it is also one of the application. And the next one is in Google also. Google is just like it is a search engine. So where the content is extracted from the internet. In the background of the Google also, the C language plays the major role. The next one is Mozilla Firefox. So we have so many kinds of search engines are there, like Google, then Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer. So all these relate to the web related. In web related also, in background we have C language. Next, compiler design. So in compiler design also, C program plays major role. Actually, compiler is a program which converts a high level language into low level language. So in compiler designs also, C program plays a major role. And one more real application is majorly used C language, gaming applications and animation applications also C language is used. So these are about the applications of C language. In the next class, we will see about the some basics parts of the C language and the concepts of the C language. Thank you everyone.